close your eyes and feel the earth breathe beneath your feet. Imagine a canyon so vast it holds in its walls nearly 2 billion years of our planet's heartbeat. Some of it recorded in dusty quartz, some of it stolen by time itself. Here, at the precipice of the Kaibab Rim, you stand above limestone cliffs aged 270 million years, older than the dinosaurs that once roamed these seas, while 1.84 billion-year-old Vishnu schist sleeps far below, whispering the secrets of Earth's fiery youth. Over the last 5 to 6 million years, the Colorado River has been both artist and swordsman, slicing a chasm more than a mile deep into these ancient foundations. Each drop of water, each grain of sand, has etched a living archive of epochs. From the shallow seas that laid down Kaibab limestone to the volcanic pulses that forged the inner gorge. As the Colorado Plateau continued to uplift roughly 2 miles in 2 major pulses during the Laramide orogeny, the river's gradient steepened dramatically, sharpening its ability to slice into the rock beneath it. Some geologists propose that precursor rivers carved Paleo-Canyon segments as early as 70-55 million years ago, which were later integrated by the ancestral Colorado River between 5 and 6 million years ago. Meanwhile, headward erosion by tributaries such as Bright Angel Creek and Hermit Creek funneled ever greater volumes of water and sediment into the main channel, sculpting side canyons and widening the gorge over millions of years. Then, as Pleistocene ice ages ushered in wetter pluvial climates, spring runoff, and monsoon floods surged through the canyons, accelerating down-cutting so rapidly that by 1.2 million years ago, the canyon approached its modern depth. From Lee's Ferry to Diamond Creek, the Colorado drops over 2,000 feet in elevation, hauling away an estimated 1,000 cubic miles of rock and sediment to carve the mile-deep chasm we admire today. Geoscientists have also pinpointed that much of the 240-meter-deep inner gorge was in size between 500,000 and 400,000 years ago, via a migrating nick point, creating the steep-walled, rapids-ridden core of the canyon. In the western reaches, the Unconformity volcanic field periodically sent over 150 lava flows into the canyon, damming the river at least 13 times between 725,000 and 100,000 years ago, and forming temporary lakes that overtopped in mere days. Although some lava dams persisted for up to 20,000 years, most failed catastrophically or filled with sediment, after which the Colorado carved up to 160 feet into the newly exposed rock before resuming its course. Still today, the relentless power of the Colorado and its tributaries continues to deepen and widen the canyon, made clear by the ongoing erosion visible in aerial time lapses. Even controlled floods from upstream dams cannot replicate the sheer force of the natural river flow. Thermochronology research confirms that over half of the Grand Canyon's iconic landscapes were sculpted within the last 6 million years, an astonishing pace for a formation of such grandeur. But pause here, and you'll find a void, a gaping hole in time nearly 1.2 billion years wide. Geologists call it the Great Unconformity, a single surface where the record stops, as though someone tore out Earth's diary and left a blank page spanning from 1.75 billion to 540 million years ago. What vanished during that span? We may never know, but the silence speaks volumes about cataclysms and climate shifts lost to the ages. Beyond the sunlit rims lie subterranean cathedrals carved over 65 million years, echoing with dripstone hymns and crusted fossil proofs of ancient seas. Meanwhile, above ground, a tassel-eared survivor hops through ponderosa pines. The Kaibab squirrel, trapped on a 20 by 40 mile plateau, its fate entwined with these woodlands alone. For at least 12,000 years, 11 tribes, from the Havasupai in hidden valleys to the Hopi on distant mesas, have woven their myths into these stone corridors, naming spirits in every twist and fold. Today, more than 4.7 million souls walk these trails each year, chasing the same sense of awe that first stirred ancient storytellers to carve petroglyphs on canyon walls. Imagine embarking on a journey where each paddle stroke propels you deeper into Earth's ancient history. Rafting the Colorado River isn't merely an adrenaline-fueled adventure. It's a voyage through time, navigating the very forces that sculpted the Grand Canyon over millions of years. From the serene stretches where the river mirrors the sky to the tumultuous rapids that challenge even seasoned rafters, every twist and turn offers a new chapter in this geological epic. As you drift beneath towering cliffs and past hidden alcoves, you're not just witnessing the canyon, you become a part of its ongoing story. This immersive experience offers unparalleled views of the canyon's stratified layers, each telling tales of ancient environments, from lush forests to arid deserts. The rhythmic flow of the river, the whispering winds, and the echoing calls of native wildlife create a symphony that resonates with the soul. Embarking on a rafting expedition here isn't just about conquering rapids. It's about connecting with a timeless landscape, understanding the relentless power of nature, and finding one's place within this grand tapestry. If this journey through billions of years has stirred your spirit, press subscribe and ring the bell, because our next expedition awaits just beyond the horizon, where more of Earth's hidden chapters lie in wait.